morning, everyone. It's a great pleasure to be here today to be talking about some of the latest development that we have been working on at the Central Bank of the UAE. As you are aware, the world of financial services has been undergoing significant changes and significant disruptions, driven mainly by disruptive technologies, new business models, and of course, a big shift in the consumer behavior. And we at the CBUE, we have been at the forefront of this innovation and transformation. We have evolved beyond our traditional supervisory and regulatory authority to become the key enabler for the UAE digital economy. And as of today, we're not only keeping up with this change, but we're raising the bar very high, not only regionally, but also globally. Let me start by sharing a little bit about our vision in becoming a top central bank and a top 5 fintech hub in the world. And through 5 different pillars. Number 1 is reimagining our regulatory framework. This is where we balance innovation and risk. Number 2, of course, is the future-proofing our financial market infrastructure to make sure it's very comprehensive, very ready for the future and interconnected. Number 3, the internationalization of the dirhams beyond the UAE borders, especially through the central bank digital currency and the dirham stablecoin, of course. And 4th is the upskilling and reskilling of talent. And 5th is strengthening our fintech ecosystem by encouraging more and more collaboration between banks, fintechs, and technology companies. And just to give you more example about our work, we now have 10 bespoke fintech regulations, and across all fintech activities, we do have an open finance regulation, a one of its kind, that not only paved the way for the digital economy, but also paves the way for more personalized financial products and financial services. We do have a stablecoin regime that is live. The stablecoin regime is now becoming a global benchmark, not only for regulators in the region, but also for regulators and central bank across the world. And let me bring this into life. We've been building a number of digital platforms that touches on every single person's lives. For example, Annie, our instant payment platform, which allow you to initiate and settle payment instantaneously. We're currently connecting Annie with other IPPs in the world, including India, China, Brazil, Turkey, Kazakhstan, and many, many others. J1, our card domestic scheme, which will reduce significantly the fees on merchants and provide more optionality for consumers in the UAE. 3rd is our Altaric, or our open finance platform, which again is paving the way for a more open economy in the UAE. And 4th, our long-awaited eKYC platform that will completely transform the KYC and KYB in the UAE. Now, building on a strong financial regulatory framework and of course the FMI, we are now taking this to the next level. We are internationalizing the dirham beyond the UAE borders. This is through the central bank digital currency, both retail and cross-border, and of course the dirham stablecoin. And let me give you a quick look into our central bank digital currency, the digital dirham. First of all, we are now fully ready to launch the digital dirham. We will be rolling out the digital dirham in phases very, very soon. And phase 1 has a number of use cases that are all tailored and aligned with the digital economy. And second of all, the digital dirham will be provided free of charge for both consumers and SMEs. And take, for example, Smart Tourist. We will enable tourists that come to the UAE to top up their CBDC wallet with any account or any wallet they may have, convert any currency into digital dirham, spend the digital dirham in the UAE, anywhere they want in the UAE, and then on their way back, convert it to whichever currency they want in a click of a button. In parallel, we've also been working on our dirham stablecoin regime, which is now live. And soon, you will start seeing the dirham stablecoin being used in domestically and for cross-border use cases. You will also see the dirham stablecoin being used on DeFi platforms, on the Web3, and on the number of tokenization use cases. And we're very excited about our Dirham stablecoin framework. Now, you may be asking, what is next? We are building a state-of-the-art innovation bridge that will connect every single financial institution in the UAE with every fintech in our ecosystem, along with all regulators and all technology companies, including the big techs, so that we allow everyone to co-create use cases together. And this is our view on how do we strengthen the fintech ecosystem in the UAE. Looking ahead, we are rolling out a number of POCs and a number of projects out of our innovation hub in Dubai, where we will be looking at a state-of-the-art innovation. For example, soon you will be able to use your biometric data to make payments in the UAE, whether it's your palm, your facial data, or even your Emirates ID, and then you can make any payment across all merchants in the UAE. Another example is the digitization of bank guarantees on both private and public blockchains. And this is how we will strengthen and further the trade finance ecosystem between the UAE and other countries. You also may be asking, what is next in the Innovation Hub? We are building a first of its kind AI agentic bank in the world out of the Innovation Hub in Dubai. And this is also our shared vision on enabling the ecosystem in working together and building innovative technologies and solutions. So with this, I want to ask everyone to join us to be part of this journey. And let me close by saying that the future of finance is being built right here and right now in the UAE. Thank you.